Good morning, everybody. In the previous video, we discussing about the Frankel and Sadke defect. Frankel and Sadke defect. In this video, we discussing about the impurity defect. Impurity defect. So, if molten NaCl, NaCl solution crystallized with the a little amount of SrCl2, crystallized with a little amount of SrCl2. NaCl solution crystallized with a little amount of SrCl2. SrCl2 that produce impurity defect. Impurity defect. Here one Sr plus 2 ion replaced by the 2 Na plus ions. 2 Na plus ions. So that means here cationic deficient impurity defect will be produced. So here suppose Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus Sr plus 2 Cl minus Na plus and Na plus Cl minus. So this is neutralized by 2 Na plus ions, or this is occupied by one site of Na plus, another one is vacant. So this type of defect is called impurity defect. This type of defect is called impurity defect. So another one example here, cadmium chloride with cadmium chloride with KCl or CSCl. Cadmium chloride with CSCl. Another one example. Then this is the impurity defect. And another one defect is non-stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichiometric defect. Another defect is non-stoichiometric defect. So non-stoichiometric defect generally will produce so many substances. So already we will discussing about the stoichiometric defect, and another one is impurity defect, and last one is third one is non-stoichiometric defect. This is also we will see in the ionic crystals. So this is divided into two types. One is metal excess defect. Another one is metal deficiency defect. One is metal excess defect. Another one is metal deficiency defect. So here metal excess defect means in the name will observing excess metal will be excess. So this is two reasons or possibility is there. One is due to anionic vacancy. Another one is extra cation. Due to extra cation, in the presence of extra cation due to anionic vacancy. Another one is in the presence of extra cation. In the presence of extra cation. So we're discussing about the due to anionic vacancy. Due to anionic vacancy. Suppose NaCl crystal. NaCl crystal, that is, will observe this NaCl crystals heated in the atmosphere of Na sodium atoms. In the atmosphere of, this is NaCl crystal heated in the atmosphere of Na atoms. What happened that that will be divided. That will be, suppose this is Na plus Cl minus Na plus Cl minus this, like so. Here in this, what happened means, the in NaCl Cl diffuses in the crystal. That will comes with the combined with the Na atom, and that Na atom produces extra electron. So that electron will be loses, and that will come and adding to the Na plus, that forms NaCl. So here negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, then positive, and here negative, negative, positive, electron, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So here, in the presence of the electron occupied by the anionic sites. Generally it is positive, it is negative. Positive, negative. So what happened here? This is vacancy. And this is called anionic vacancy. It will be this anion. It is anion reacted with the Na, that gives NaCl, again NaCl. So in NaCl, Na gives what? Na gives Na plus electron. So this electron occupied by the anionic site. So this is called F center. This is called what? F center. That is called what? F center. So F center means what? A anionic site occupied by the unpaired electron is called F center. Anionic sites occupied by the unpaired electron is called F center. F center means Farbigenter in German word. That is German word. Farbigenter means color center. That means what? Color center. So here, that's the reason NaCl gives golden yellow color, and KCl gives lilac color, or violet color, and lithium chloride gives pink color. NaCl gives yellow color. NaCl when heating or imparted in the flame, what means the flame gives yellow color. Why? Because extra, this electron occupied by the anionic sites, so that electron absorb the radiation of the light, that gives characteristic color. So NaCl that gives yellow, KCl that gives lilac or violet color, and lithium chloride that gives pink color. This is the metal excess defect. Due to the anionic vacancy. Then another one is due to in the presence of extra cation. Next one is due to in the presence of extra cation. So what happened in the presence of extra cation means the available extra cations. Suppose ZNO. This is generally white color. ZNO is a zinc oxide, is a white color. On heating, what happened? So on heating, it gives yellow color. So it gives yellow color means Zn+2 ions, and oxygen dissociated. So then dissociated Zn+2 and ions. So what happened is dissociated. So here dissociation means here this is converted into yellow color. So means here ZNO becomes Zn1 plus XO. Becomes the formula. The formula is Zn1 plus XO. Becomes Zn1 plus XO. So this is the formula. So means that extra Zn+2 cation occupied the interstitial sites. This is occupied the interstitial sites, and extra the liberated electrons occupied by the neighboring anionic sites. That is interstitial to neighboring anions. So this is due to in the presence of extra cation. This type of defect is called metal excess defect. Then another one is metal deficiency defect. So metal deficiency means in the compounds generally not a perfect compounds. Almost all solids generally, when we prepared the solids generally they have some defects. So here metal deficiency defect means that having a metal is a deficient. For example, FeO, iron oxide. FeO, it is found in the composition of this one. Fe 0.98 percentage O, 98% or 98% or 95% maybe. So the real composition. Means this is also not a stoichiometry, not a followed stoichiometry. So that's why here in case of any reason, this is maybe lost. This is maybe some ions will be lost. That is fulfilled by the Fe plus 3 ion. Fe plus 3 ion. Fe plus 3 ion. So when Fe plus 3 ion will be occupied in this, the Fe plus 2 that is equal to 2. This is equal to 2. Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. So here higher charges. That means here generally the variable charges is present in this defect. So here the generally Fe plus 2 the range is 0.56 to 0.55 to 0.53 to 0.56. The range is 0.56. So this is occupied by the higher charged species, that is Fe plus 3. So what happened there? When occupied this, when will prepared in this, so this is one is deficient. So this is called metal deficiency defect. This is called metal deficiency defect. Thanking here you can observe all these the defects are closed here. Then another one thing is I want to draw the a diagram. A diagram for the defects point of view here. This is defects. Two types: point defect, and another one is line defect. So in this discussing about only point defect. The point defect divided into three types. One is stoichiometric. Another one is impurity defect. Then here non-stoichiometric defect. Then stoichiometric defect divided into vacant defect generally, and another one is interstitial defect. Interstitial defect. And another one is Frenkel. Another one is Shatki. So these vacant and interstitial observed in non-ionic substances. Then these two observed ionic substances. Then Frenkel will show this one. This shows only vacant defects, and another one is impurity defect. Then non-stoichiometric defect, two types, that is metal excess Another one is metal deficiency. Metal deficiency. Metal deficiency defect. Metal deficiency defect. So metal access defect due to the anionic sites, due to anionic vacancy, anionic vacancy, and another one is due to extra cation, due to extra cation. This is the schematic diagram of defects. So defects, two types, point and line defect. Point defects we will discussing in this chapter only. So that is divided into three types: stoichiometric defect, impurity defect, non-stoichiometric defect. And stoichiometric defect divided into generally two types, and vacant and interstitial defect. Vacant and interstitial defect. This is two in observed non-ionic substances. And another type is Frenkel and Sierke defect. Both are this is observed in ionic substances. So it is shows this one and this one, vacancy defect and interstitial defect. This is shows only vacant defect and impurity defect. And here non-stoichiometric defect, that is divided into two types: metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Metal in the under category of metal excess defect due to the anionic vacancy, and metal excess defect due to the extra in the presence of extra cation, and metal deficiency. So this is the imperfections in solids. Thank you for watching this video.